Students, welcome to the video session. Previous session we have learned about some of the components of MS Word, right? So today I'm going to teach you uh, more like work area, ruler bars and all this. So let's start the class. Next component is work area. This is the place where we call the document as a work area, and this blank area in the document window where you can type, edit and format the text is called as a work area. The next component is ruler bar. These ruler bars are present on the both top left side of the document. Okay, so can you observe on the screen? The vertical ruler bar allows you to format the vertical alignment of the text. Using the horizontal ruler bar, you can modify the indents, margins and tab stops and page measurements. The numbers present on the vertical ruler bar indicates the position of the text on the page. The number present on the horizontal rule bar indicates the location of the text from the left and right side of the page. Scroll bar. The scroll bar helps you to navigate. The next is scroll bar. The scroll bar helps you to navigate through different portions of the document. Okay, the horizontal scroll bar is located at the bottom of the page. Just observe, students, bottom of the page and just above the status bar. The vertical scroll bar is located on the right side of the screen. Okay, look at there. Fine. The status bar is a component, last but one component. It is located at the bottom of the document window. Okay. Right. It displays the number of pages and the number of words. If you need more information, then double click the words option on the status bar. Can you see here? Yeah. The word count dialog box opens, which gives the complete information like pages, words, characters, paragraphs and lines. Adjoining to it is a proofing error icon. Clicking on it will highlight the errors. At the right end of the status bar, you will find the view button and the zoom slide bar. It is quite easy to change the view of the document. And this print layout option is there. Just check it, students. Print layout option. Okay. Yeah. See here. It is selected by default actually. This view shows the document as it will appear when it is printed. Full screen reading. It shows the complete video page on the screen and also displays the multiple pages. This view has several buttons at the top of the page such as save, print preview, print tools, mini translator, text highlight colors and insert comment. At the center of the bar, it displays the page numbers and the total number of pages at the right side or right end of the bar. Just observe, students, here. View option menu and close buttons are displayed. Just see here. Can you observe? Yeah. At the center of the bar, what you'll be having? Yeah, number of pages and close button is available. The next is web layout. This view enables you to see your document as it would appear in the browser, such as an Internet Explorer. Outline is the next option. It displays your document in an outline view. You can move the text up and down and expand and collapse the levels or change the heading levels also. The next one is draft view. It displays a document as a continuous text scroll where page breaks are denoted by dashes. dashed lines. And this view is helpful if you are using the older or the slower computers that cannot be displayed the print layout view. Okay, so if you are using that, better this view will be very much useful for you. Various elements like header and the footer background pictures are not displayed in this view. Okay, the last component is zoom slider. Okay, on the status bar, the next to the view buttons, you will find the zoom slider. You will be finding the zoom slider, and which lets you to zoom in or zoom out your document by moving the slider to the page percentage zoom settings. Every time, like if here also, if I wanted to zoom any document, what I'm doing is I'm doing the same thing. Zoom slider I'm using here. So let us have a quick view. Clicking on the plus symbol on the zoom slider will zoom in the view, and clicking the minus zoom out the view of the page. Okay, so by this we could conclude our session 3. The next, let us start the session 4, formatting a document. Formatting a document is, you all people know that how to format a document. Let's go with the step-by-step process how to format a document. Okay, right. So for formatting a document, you'll be formatting with the help of a font styles and font effects and all, right? So let's start with that. Yeah, character formatting is the first option of formatting your document. How to character formatting, in the sense what? Formatting can be in the different ways. The character formatting is a one of that. Let me explain in detail each and everything. So here, as the name suggests, the character formatting focuses on the appearance of the individual character. So font is a set of characters of a specific style and size, from font size to font style. Text positioning to the text attributes, and the character formatting includes all the attributes that can be used to define the arrangement of the character. So the character formatting can be applied in several ways. So let me show you once again the screen here. Whatever font face, font size, font style, dialog box launcher, and font color. These are all formatting options are available for the character formatting. Okay, so using keyboard, what actually will be using here? Say for using the keyboard, using the character formatting can be applied in the several ways, as I told you. The first one is using the keyboard, and the second one is using the home tab. The next, using the shortcut menu. To open a font dialog box, follow these steps. Select the text, click on the home tab. Okay, and then select the desired text, that I mean to say, select the desired font from the displayed font list and observe the change. Okay, formatting options like formatting style, color, underline, and effects are applied using font dialog box. To apply the special effects on the selected text, click on the font dialog box launcher. And have you I have shown you, right, what is the font dialog box launcher. So select the required font effects in the effects selection, like shadow, outline, and emboss, etc. Okay, some of the font effects I am showing you. Just observe here. We have a font effects available under the home tab, right? To apply, these are all special fonts. Just observe how it is happening. Okay, let's have a keyboard shortcut for subscript and the superscript. Right. For subscript, Control plus equals superscript control plus shift plus plus. Okay, and the next font effects. You can select the different font effects available under the home tab just by clicking it once. Let us learn more about it. Font colors. This option changes the color of the selected text. Select the text and click on the home tab. Okay, click on the drop down arrow next to the font color. I'm just highlighting there. See, font colors. Select the desired color here. You'll be finding the drop down list. Font case. So MS Word 2010 offers 5 different types of the font cases. To change the font case, follow these steps. Select the text you would like to change. Then press the change case here, font case. Yeah, see, observe 5 options are available. We have changed it. There is a drop down list. You just opt whichever the option you want. The first option is sentence case. Capitalizes the first color of the selected sentence. This is the text document. Test document example. Lowercase converts the selected text to the lowercase. See, the same text is converted into lowercase. Examples, just observe students. The next is uppercase. Sentence case you have seen. The first character will be capitalized. Lowercase completely in a lowercase. Uppercase is all characters will be uppercase. Capitalization each word. Here each word will be capitalized. Okay, fine. In this way, observe the example very carefully. Then the toggle case. This is very important for your 2 mark question. It is toggle case converts the case of every selected character in a reverse manner. Capital is becomes a small letter and so lowercase and vice versa. See, observe. Understood? Now, the next, let us have a quick recap, a quick view of one shortcut key here. For changing the case of the letters, Shift F3 combination. Shift F3 combination is used. Font effects, applying the subscript and the superscript. The subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline. Okay, superscript places the text slightly above the baseline. Okay, let us type the example here. Have you seen? See, yeah, observe the expression. Now the 2 will be, if it is below, then it is a subscript. If it is above, it is a superscript. How to select? Select the content and just press it. Press the superscript. The 2 will become B square it is. And this I would like to change it to the subscript. A2 is a, yeah, below. The text was printed below. Entered below. Then the next one is bold, italic and underline text. These are all you'll be using very generally you people will be using these are all. So let's have a look. This text which has a formatted must be selected. To make the selected text bold, click B. Just highlight, mouse is going over it. Just observe italic and underline. Just see. Yeah, if you want it to undo, if you don't want it, then the same thing, repeat again, select and deselect it. There are set of keyboard shortcuts also for this bold italics. So Control B is for bold and Control I is for italics and Control U for underline. Okay, right. Formatting the fonts using the shortcut key and the dialog box. Right. Open the document. Open the document and selected section of the text. Right clicking the mouse will makes a shortcut menu appears. Click on the font option. The font dialog box appears. Select the desired font and font style and click on the OK button. Okay. Right, just observe here, the shortcut keys are available, everything, font styles are available. You can choose whatever you want. Okay, so by this we could conclude our session 4. Session 3, half of the part is finished in the previous session, previous video only. And now in this video we have completed the rest of the part of session 3, and the session 4 we have completed. Thank you so much.